Polygons. Your learning target today is I can determine polygons by their attributes, and you'll know you're successful when you can create polygons with certain attributes.
Our vocabulary word for today is the word figure, and a figure is made up of points and lines that create a polygon. And so a polygon is another word for shape. So we are going to be working with lots of figures this year, and you will see that all of them have special attributes, which is our next word, that make them the shape that they are. Here's our other word, attribute. So an attribute is another word for features, and they're the features of a polygon that determine what type of polygon that we have. So attributes that we are really going to be focusing on this year are how many sides a polygon has and how many angles. How many sides and angles, because those things are going to tell us what type of polygon we have. For example, something that has 3 sides would be a triangle. Same with 3 angles. So we know that if it has those attributes of 3 sides, 3 angles, then we know it's classified as a triangle. So that's what we're really going to be learning about today, are polygons. And a polygon is a shape, like I told you before. But more specifically, a polygon is a flat, two-dimensional shape, okay, or 2D. So it's not going to be a 3-dimensional shape. It's going to be flat, 2-dimensional. It also has straight lines, so not curved lines. And then the lines that we do have are fully closed. So like I told you before, a polygon is going to have closed sides. So like I said, that will not be a polygon because we don't have the lines that are fully closed. But we know that this is a polygon. It's flat, 2-dimensional, and the lines are closed. What kind of polygon is this again? It has 3 angles and 3 sides. It's a triangle, of course. We also know that this is another polygon that we all know. We have a square. But what kind of polygon would this be? A rectangle. There are also other kinds of polygons that we are going to be learning about. So one that has 5 sides is called a pentagon. And a pentagon always has 5 sides and 5 angles, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. And then if we look at the sides, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon always has 5. Then we also have a hexagon. So we need to make sure it has how many sides? 6 sides and 6 angles. Hexagon. We will also be working with an octagon. So an octagon, sometimes I think of a stop sign. And a stop sign has 8 sides. So I'm going to make sure that my sides are equal. And I'm also going to make sure they're closed. And that's an octagon. Has 8 sides and 8 angles. So those are some polygons that we'll be learning about this year. And tomorrow we are going to be learning how to categorize these polygons. But today I just wanted to give you that little introduction.
Remember, your learning target today is I can determine polygons by their attributes, and you'll know you're successful when you can create polygons with certain attributes.